In this lecture, we will discuss how to configure the Palo Alto firewall out of the box. You have to connect to the console port using your preferred terminal software like maybe Buddy or any other terminal software that you're familiar with. You basically have to log in at the prompt with the username admin and the password admin. Once you are at the greater than sign, you will have to issue the command configure, and then that will put you in configuration mode, and then you will have to specify set device config system IP address, specify the IP address of your firewall. This is for the management interface. The management interface has its own IP address, and that's how you manage the firewall. You can hit the question mark, kind of like Cisco, mask and the subnet mask, and then gateway if you want to provide a gateway. Default gateway, and then IP address of the default gateway. And then once you do that, you hit enter. If you want to do show the configuration, you click type in show. That will show you the configuration. This is a standard format that is used by vendors such as HP and Juniper and Palo Alto. You can use the set commands to configure the firewall. If you want to show the configuration in a set format, you have to exit back to we'll first have to commit. That will commit our changes to apply the IP address to the firewall. Exit back to the exec mode, and then you can do set display CLI, set CLI, config output format to be set. This will change it to show you the configuration in a set format, and this will allow you to see how you configure the device based on the set commands. Go back to configure and do show. This will show you the configuration in a set format. So this is the basic configuration that you need to set up to get the configure of the firewall to be manageable. The command is set device config, set device config system IP address, the IP address, and then netmask, and then subnet mask, and then the default gateway if you want to specify default gateway, and then the IP address of default gateway.